Vaseline. Believe it.
Okay, Ben, can I breathe now?
Look, I'm a soldier, but all the weight on my shoulders make me feel like I'm alone.
There goes Chad Dell.
Look, I'm a soldier, but all the weight on my shoulders make me feel like I'm outnumbered. Feel like I'm outnumbered. All these things make a real nigga turn strange. Been through it, all these states.
With an okey-doke still on his
down with chains. Long nights I spent alone, hot made me colder. Killers trying to since I was a child. Still feeling most of my ops is seeming wild. Before I kick it second first, some of that
He's on his way.
Just know what you on the compound. I'm in a mansion feeling smoking chemicals back to back. This shit getting critical with a strap. I'm trying to keep my head on track. They trying to knock it from off the map. I needed peaches for some game. He wanted to charge me that shit cap. I could put on balls and get all the game I
Good
need.
pass and another touch.
26.
I was at the Marriott smoking black and mild and
Down to the 10. Down to the end zone.
Everybody know me round my way.
Number one.
My house
Down to the left. That one,
Come on, player.